What is the concept of dominance? Concept of dominance refers to a pair of contrasting alleles. One is called the dominant allele, the other is called the recessive allele. Now let us suppose there is a gene which contains information that is required to synthesize a particular enzyme, and this enzyme transforms a substrate S into a product P, and the product is responsible for our traits or phenotypes. Now this gene has two alleles. That means this gene which produces an enzyme exists in the form of a pair of alleles. This gene has two copies which occur in pairs, capital E, small e. The capital E, it is the unmodified or normal allele. This allele which is not modified, the normal allele, it codes for, it controls the synthesis of a normal enzyme, and this enzyme catalyzes transformation of substrate into a product, and the product is responsible for our phenotypes. Our phenotype is affected by the products which are formed by the enzyme, and the enzyme is coded by unmodified allele capital E. On the other hand, the small e, it is the modified allele or mutated allele. It has undergone mutations, small e. So this allele produces what? This allele plays what role in our phenotype? There are three possibilities. Case 1, the modified allele codes for a less efficient enzyme or an enzyme which is almost equivalent to that enzyme which is coded by capital E. That means the normal enzyme. So small e, the modified allele, codes for a normal enzyme just like capital E or a less efficient enzyme, and this enzyme transforms a product, transforms a substrate into a product. Case 2, the modified allele may code, it may control synthesis of a non-functional enzyme. The modified or mutated allele, small e, may code a non-functional enzyme. Possibility 3, case 3, the modified or mutated allele may code no enzyme at all. It does not produce any enzyme. So these are the three possibilities in case of the modified allele. In case 1, the modified allele produces a less efficient enzyme or an enzyme equivalent to that produced by capital E. So phenotype is affected by the modified allele. The modified allele or mutated allele determines, it affects our phenotype. In case 1, our phenotypes, our characteristics are affected by the modified allele. In case 2 and 3, the modified allele codes non-functional enzyme or no enzyme at all. In case 2 and 3, our phenotype is not affected by modified allele. Our characteristics, our traits, phenotypes are not dependent on the modified allele. So modified allele or small e, denoted by small e, is called the recessive allele. Recessive allele. On the other hand, the capital E, it is called the normal or dominant allele because our phenotypes, our traits are dependent upon the products which are formed by the normal allele. So our phenotype is dependent on the normal allele capital E. Our phenotype is affected by the normal allele capital E, which produces the normal enzyme, and this normal enzyme is responsible for the formation of the products, and this product is actually our phenotype. So our phenotype is dependent on the normal allele capital E. So this is called the dominant allele. This is the concept of dominance.